Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Facebook Messenger notifications. Okay, so before starting the video, let's go to the Play Store. If you're using iOS, then just go to the App Store, and here you have to type Messenger and make sure that you update the app. Okay, and after updating the app, you have to go to the home, and let's say if I open this app and where is Messenger? Okay, it's here. So just click and hold and go to the app info. You can go from the settings too, and after that scroll a little bit and you can see here that manage notifications, right? So here you can see that allow all the notifications, and if I turn it on, here you can see there is a lot of options for the notifications. Here you can select which notifications you want and which you don't want. So in this way you can fix all the issues regarding Messenger notifications. I hope you found this video really helpful, and if you did, like this video, subscribe our channel. See you in the next video. Till that time, take care. Goodbye.